So I'm a social media manager, and this week I asked 50 other social media managers and content creators one simple question. What are the top things you struggle with the most when it comes to posting? So question number 1 is from @CourtneyContentDiary, who asked, why do I always feel so overwhelmed trying to post every single day? Because girl, you're probably doing too much. You probably film, edit, and then try to post all in the same day. And that's a lot. That's like treating every single post like it's an emergency. You have to post. You have to send something out that day. And it doesn't have to be that way. When I first started out, that's exactly what I did. And I found that trying to go to every single platform, retype all of your captions and all of your copy, and post something 5 different times was just too hard, and it was too much. But then I started batching everything and scheduling it out so that I didn't have to do all of that stuff day in and day out. Now my posts go out automatically at the scheduled time of my choice, and I don't have to do anything that day. I use Schedulala to schedule all of my stuff ahead of time, write all of my captions in one place, and just click post. This keeps things simple, and I don't feel overwhelmed to have to post every single day. Okay, question number 2 is from Julie Creates, who asked, do you ever feel like the algorithm punishes you the second you take the day off? Oh yeah, I've definitely felt this way. Like if I missed one day, I felt like I would lose all of my progress, all of my followers, and I'd have to start from 0 again. And that's exhausting to think that way. And that's exactly why I started batching everything and then scheduling it out in advance so that I didn't have to feel bad for taking a day off. One week I film, the next I edit and schedule it all out, and then I'm good for a couple of weeks. And Schedulala just makes it so easy to queue everything up. So I'm never really taking a day off because something's going out, something's always scheduled. Posts are going out while I'm on a day off. And then I have no guilt, no burnout, just consistency. Okay, question number 2 is from Maria Scott, who asked, what do you do when posting every day starts to feel repetitive? I stopped posting every day. Simple as that. I hated opening every app just to post. And that started feeling repetitive within the first week. So I started using Schedulala pretty much right away. Now I post everything for the month in one day. It's way less repetitive, it's way less stressful. And then I have way more time for the fun stuff like writing, filming, and editing. But posting, that's not something I want to handle every single day.